Good morning. So this is how you replace the batteries in your Pebble remote control. If you look at the remote, there's a little slot here at the bottom. So to get it out, you just want to stick your thumb under there, your thumbnail, or a little screwdriver or something, and just pop that out. It'll come right up. Look at the back of the remote. You'll see this one's kind of been chewed up a little bit, but if you put your fingers on it like this and give it a little push, it should just come right apart and the back will come off. Inside you have the two 2032 batteries, so you just want to either tap it and they'll come out, or just use your finger and pop those out. So to put the batteries back in or replace them, you want to take the 2032 battery and you want to put it with the positive side up, and you just slip it in the little slot, push it down, put the other one in the other side, push it down, take your cover. If you look at this cover, it has 3 little tabs on it, and if you look at the remote, there's 3 little slots. So you just want to make sure you have the orientation correct. So these 2 at the top, this one at the bottom, and then you just stick it back on the remote, and it should just drop right in. And then to lock it back in place, just do the same thing, but just give it a twist to the counterclockwise. And there you have it. So that's back in. They're not going to come out. And then the Pebble has these little slots. So you want to set the orientation for the remote to match these little slots here. So if you put this in, you can see this slot lines up with this one. You just put that in like that, and you'll feel it when it goes in. It'll go into the right spot. So now it's in. Test your remote. Make sure the lights work. And that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you hit all of them, it goes back to all. So there you have it, how to change the batteries in your Pebble PowerView remote.